What does every symbol in the Bible refer to? The coming of the Son of Man. The Son of Man will come, carried on the clouds with glory and power, to kidnap his elects, save the world, and establish the awaited kingdom of the Father. The Bible mentions this through Jesus Christ himself when he says, "But I say to all of you, from now on you will see the Son of Man sitting at the right hand of the Mighty One and coming on the clouds of heavens." But what is the real meaning wanted from the Son of Man's coming, walking among the clouds? The Christian Church stayed for centuries despite of its different directions. They believe in the miraculous coming that breaks natural laws, and this has been drawn within the mind of the believers for centuries of time. They say that Christ shall come flying in his body among clouds to kidnap his elects from all sides of the earth, so they will meet him on the clouds as a result. Later he will establish his promised awaited fair kingdom. The traditional concept was eligible for minds of those ancient centuries during first event, for during those times there were no existence of modern discoveries which are present nowadays, like the airplane. Since years, humans used them for transportation from one side of Earth to the other. So we can say that airplanes are flying among clouds exactly as the Bible describes the way of the second event of the Christ. Thus, the more scientific explanation for Christ coming on clouds in his second event will be the airplane, which he might get into, preparing the base and the core of his blessed call to spread love, peace, and justice in the world. These elects are the ones who have succeeded in overcoming the difficult experiences and have proven themselves in the difficult trials. They will resist all the challenges they face by the enemies of God who want to prevent the completion of the promise of the Father. Then Christ will come with science and knowledge known by the people of the last time. We will prove to the world that he is the real Messiah through scientific respective evidences and not through miracles. He will be the most knowledgeable person of the Bible and his wondrous mysteries, which agrees with the modern science and humanity. He will grant with justice, equality, comfort, and peace during his return back to the world. And when the Son of Man comes, he will send his angels with a great trumpet to gather the elect, as Jesus said in the Gospel. And he will send his angels with a loud trumpet call, and they will gather his elect from the four winds, from one end of the heavens to the other. The meaning of the angels here is the new disciples of the returning Christ. He will send them to blow in the trumpet, so that the elects know the time in which their Master has returned, through the signs of times which took place, and through signs that Christ will announce through his disciples, and according to the scientific means available as well, represented by the satellites and the social media, where the people are in touch with news and what's going on all over the world.